We'll guide you through how to make eye rays on a light motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, before you begin, make sure you already have footage with the eyes masked, because a light motion does not include a neat, dedicated masking feature for creating this effect. Once your masked eye footage is ready, open a light motion on your device. After it finishes loading, press Create New Project to start a new project. Set up the project according to your needs by selecting the project settings you want to use. When the settings are complete, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. After the project has been created, press the plus button located below the timeline to access the media browser. Browse through your files and add your footage to the project. Once the footage has been imported, select the masked eye footage layer and open the effect browser. Inside the effect browser, go to the color and light category. From the available effects, select solid color and add it to the masked eye layer. After applying the solid color effect, set its color to white. Once the color has been changed auto white, open the effect browser again. Return to the color and light category and locate the rays effect. Select the rays effect and add it to the same masked eye layer. After the rays effect has been applied, adjust the effect so it is active on the selected layer. Next, change the blending mode of the layer to overlay so the rays blend with the original footage. If you want to make the effect brighter, you can add the exposure effect and the gamma effect as additional effects on the same layer. Apply both effects and adjust them until the brightness matches your preference. Play the preview to see the finished result. You have successfully created an eye rays effect in a light motion.